came out because we got thunder. And I love thunder. But this is not rain. Okay, there's some rain. That's hail, pea-sized hail. Peas. Look at the table over there. Well, I hope it doesn't hurt my flowers. Don't hurt my flowers. Get that fully local. Let's look out the front. Let's look out front. Let's look. Ooey gooey. Oh my goodness. You can kind of see it. Damn, it's a lot colder. No fighting. It's like a lot colder now.